My documentary title is The Integrated Life. The first one would be The Internal Compass. Often we think of philosophy of something found in dusty book, but philosophy isn't what we say, it's what we do. It starts with existentialism, the radical acceptance that I am the architect of my own meaning in my personal life. This means I don't wait for purpose to find me. I create it through my choices. But choices requires a filter. That's where existentialism comes in. By ruthlessly stripping away the tribal many, I protect the vital few. It's the discipline of doing less but better. The second is the circle of connection. Philosophy moves from the I to the we. In my family, we practice virtue ethics. We don't focus on rules but on character. We ask, what would a person of integrity do? This builds a foundation of trust that doesn't need a manual. When I step into my community, utilitarianism takes the lead. I look for the greatest good, whether it is a local policy or a neighborhood project. The goal is impact, ensuring our collective action lifts the most people possible. And when the world gets loud and chaotic, stoicism is my anchor. I learned that distinguish between what I can control, my effort and my reaction, and what I cannot. It's the secret of staying calm when the community faces a storm. Lastly, the engine of progress. In the professional world, theory meets the pavement through pragmatism. A business strategy is only as good as its result. If it is worked, we find it. We refine it. If it doesn't, we pivot. We value what is true, seeing what works in real world. Finally, in management, I employ Kantian ethics. I treat every employee and client as an uh, end in themselves, never merely as a means of profit margin. Respect isn't a tactic, it's a universal law. Seven philosophies, one life. By integrating these truths, I don't just survive the day, I design it.